Hi, my name is Bas and welcome to another video. So basically in this video I've decided to talk about my gear, and I've decided that I'm gonna have to let go some of my gear as well, because I'm also planning to upgrade my camera. As you know, probably from other videos I was talking. So I want to tell you what lenses, cameras I was gonna keep and which one I'm gonna sell. It's pretty obvious because I want to upgrade my camera to do YouTube videos, because at the moment I'm still using my old M50 to do videos in this studio, in this room. But I'm afraid I'm gonna have to let this camera go. So I'm gonna start with this camera, and yeah, let's move forward. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well, any questions ask in the comments, and also feel free to join my myprochannel.com. You can ask any questions there, and you also can request a video just to let you know. And yeah, if you do join, let me know. I'm gonna approve your account. Anyway, so let's move forward. So basically, this is the M50 Mark One. I've decided to sell it. That's because it's quite old. I think it's like 6 years old. It's a good camera, provides me with good images, but I'm afraid I'm gonna have to let it go. It does serve the purpose for images, but for videos, I'm afraid it's not enough. So I'm looking to upgrade to Canon R6 Mark II, and really hopefully it's gonna be a gift for me for Christmas. So this camera, I'm gonna have to let it go, I'm afraid. As I said, it's a great camera, but it doesn't serve the purpose for what I need. So I need a camera to shoot YouTube videos, and this one, it's really old. It still do the images pretty good, but I have to let it go. So this is now on sale, put on eBay. Hopefully someone's gonna purchase it. If not, we're gonna be there for a while. I won't drop the price, but hopefully someone's gonna buy this camera, and this is gonna help me to fund new camera. So I'm gonna leave this one on side. As you know, this is M50 Mark 1. The next camera I have is my 10 years old Canon 7D Mark II. It's in a good condition. It's 10 years old. I've purchased it brand new. I think it cost me at the time around £1,400. I still do images with this camera. I still love this camera. I put this camera on sale, but I've changed my mind. I kind of, I don't know, I have a feeling that I don't want to let this camera go. It's my first camera, my first DSLR, and I have good memories with this camera. 10 years shooting portraits, weddings, landscapes, all sorts of images. So for now, I've decided to keep this camera because I do images, and the only features I like on this camera is the GPS. So basically, when I go somewhere, I just turn on the GPS and it saves on my images, which is really handy for me. So this camera, I'm gonna keep it for now. Maybe once I've purchased a new camera, I'm gonna let this camera go. Maybe not. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side for now. Now, my lenses, that's a good question. I kind of want to sell some of them, kind of don't want to sell some of them. So I'm gonna start with smallish one. So this is a nifty 50mm lens, Canon EF. So this I've decided to let it go. It's already on eBay listing, but still waiting for someone to purchase. Really cheap, not expensive as other lenses I have. It does good images. It's good for portraits, but as I plan to upgrade to add cameras, I see no reason to keep this EF lens. So I've decided to let this Canon 50mm let it go, and hopefully I'm gonna buy new Nifty 50 RF version. So I'm gonna leave this one on the side. Next one will be my wide angle lens. This is Canon EFS 10 to 18mm. It's a really good lens. I do most of the times my YouTube videos in studio. It's cheap as well. It's not expensive. I think it's around 200 something pounds. The good thing is a wide angle lens, good for landscape and good if you shoot portraits. I've decided not to sell this lens because I'm gonna use this on my new camera body when I'm gonna purchase. So I've decided to keep this one for now because I know this is gonna work on my new body. I'm gonna sell it. So anyway, I've decided to keep this one for now, and let's move to new lens. This is my really how to say everyday lens. I use this lens pretty much everywhere. It's Canon EF 24-70mm Mark II. It doesn't have IS image stabilization, but I never had issues with images like focusing. So this lens, I'll definitely keep it. It cost me a lot of money. I've purchased it brand new, and I see no reason to sell it. Maybe in next 5 years, but for now, it still provides me with good image quality. So this lens will stay with me on my new camera body. That's it. I'm gonna put this one on top, and we're gonna move to the next one. Next one is Canon 100mm macro lens. Again, I want to sell this lens. I know there's like Canon RF macro lens, but this one will do the job as well. I don't shoot a lot of macro images, so I see no reason to sell it and upgrade to RF version. This provides me with good image quality as well. It's good lens for portraits as well, and I've decided not to sell this lens. I still want to keep it. I've purchased this lens brand new, and I think I've paid around £900. It's in good condition, no scratches. I usually take care of my gear. That's because if I purchase them from my own pocket, I need to take care of them. So this lens will stay with me, and I will gonna leave this one on the side. Cool, that's it. Now move to my favorite lens. So guess what this lens is. I've purchased this lens around 9 or 8 years ago, and I was shooting some weddings with this. It's 70-300mm EFL version, and to be honest, it is a bit heavier, but provides really good image quality. If you have extra reach, this lens will do the job. It's kind of not huge, it's not bad, it's a bit heavier, just let you know, but not as heavy as my another one, which we're going to talk in a bit. The zoom is to 300mm. It's a good lens, and sometimes I use lens for street photography because I can get that extra reach which I won't be able to get on my Canon EF 24-70mm. So this lens is definitely staying with me. I'm going to use this lens on my RF body. If it won't work, I'll probably sadly sell it, but I checked online and should be compatible with L6 Mark II. So I'm going to keep this lens on my new body. And the last lens, I've decided to keep it as well. It's the heavy one. 70-200mm bulky heavy lens. That's the lens I've purchased, again brand new, cost me a lot of money. I see no reason to sell it. Again, I know there's some like RF version 70-200mm, which is really expensive, and I cannot justify that expense. So I will definitely keep this one. It still provides me with awesome image quality. It's Mark II. I know there's another one, Mark III. Again, I didn't want to upgrade because I saw there's no much improvements apart from the color. This one, it's really good quality lens. it's a bit heavier. The zoom, it's doing it inside, so if you can see in the video, if you zoom in, oh, here you go. If you zoom, the zoom it's inside. It's not like my 70-300mm. This zoom is happening inside the lens. It's a bit heavier. It's much more heavier than my 70-300mm. But that's why I decided to keep this one, and I'm gonna use on my RF body. And again, I see no reason to sell it. It's in mint condition, no scratches. On the lens itself, the glass, it's really in good condition. And again, I see no reason to sell this heavy lens. If it works, why should I sell it? So that's kind of my gear at the moment. Not many lenses. I don't have many lenses, to be honest. Just a couple of lenses. I really hope in the future I can add some RF lenses once I've purchased new camera body. In terms of them lenses, I don't think I'm gonna sell them. I'm still happy with the image quality they provide. They still work fine. I think they should last me a lifetime. Even if I would have to sell them, I don't think anyone is gonna buy them, because I'm gonna have to sell them like very cheap to someone to buy. So I see again no reason to sell it. If you have such lenses, any of them lenses, if you own, I probably wouldn't sell them. Just keep and upgrade to new camera lenses. You can just add new lenses to your gear. And again, that's my gear at the moment. I want to keep and sell, and yeah, that's pretty much what I want to talk to you today in this video. Just to let you know, I'm recording this video using my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I really hope the video quality will be good. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Any questions, again, feel free to join my prochannel.com. Ask me any question in there. If you want to talk a bit more about any of this stuff. If you have any quick questions, ask in the comments. I'll be happy to reply back. Thumbs up is all. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you, and have a nice one.